ForKidsFunToon Happy Time.
Repeat after me.
A
is for ant.
B
B is for bear. Today we will learn the names of animals.
C
C is for cat.
D
D is for dog.
E
E is for elephant.
F
F is for fox.
G
G is for giraffe.
H
H is for horse.
I
is for iguana.
J
J is for jaguar. Let's learn some colors with bowling pins.
Violet Orange Blue
Purple.
K
K is for koala.
L
L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. O is for owl.
P
P is for penguin.
Red
Green,
Blue
orange, yellow,
Pink
purple,
Black White Brown
gray,
Red Q
Q is for quokka. R is for rabbit.
S
is for spider.
T
T is for tiger. U is for unicorn.
V
V is for vulture.
W
W is for wolf.
X
X is for Xanthospeared.
Y
Y is for yak.
Z
Z is for zebra.
Blue
orange, yellow,
Pink
purple,
Black White Violet Brown
gray,
Red
green,
Blue
orange,
you in the next video.